In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collapsible text in Wix Studio. Collapsible text is perfect for keeping pages clean and scannable while still offering full details on demand. Think FAQs, product specifications, or long descriptions that don't need to be visible all at once. I'll walk you through adding it, placing it neatly, and customizing the button labels so it feels right for your site's voice. Start in the Wix Studio editor. Look for the plus icon to add elements. This opens the panel where you can find all the building blocks for your page. From here, select text. The text section includes regular headings and paragraphs, but we want something interactive. Choose collapsible text. This element comes pre-built with a title area, hidden content, and a button that toggles the reveal. It saves time compared to building your own show and hide setup, and it's designed to be accessible and consistent. Now, drag and drop the collapsible text onto your canvas. Place it exactly where you want it to live, perhaps under a section heading or within a column. As you position it, watch the alignment guides to keep spacing tidy and consider the width. A comfortable line length improves readability. If you're building a set of multiple collapsible items, align them so the buttons and titles line up for a polished look. Next, click Change Text. This opens the editor for both the title and the expanded content. Type the text you want. Keep the title short and descriptive, something like a clear question or a concise label. In the body, write the details your visitors might be looking for. Break long content into short paragraphs for easier reading, and make sure the most important point appears near the top in case users only skim. Find the setting labeled "What does the button do?" Choose Expand. This ensures the button's job is to reveal and collapse the text rather than send visitors somewhere else. It's the simplest, most expected behavior for this element, and it helps users control how much content they see without leaving the page. Edit the Expand button text to match your tone. Options like Read More or Expand work well. Then edit the Collapse button text to something like Show Less or Collapse. Keep both labels consistent in style and capitalization, and avoid making them too long so they fit nicely on mobile. And that's it. You've added the element, placed it with care, written clear content, and set intuitive button labels, giving your page a cleaner look without sacrificing depth.